How to confirm email address on PayPal. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can confirm your email address on PayPal. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in paypal.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Now within a while you will be taken to the official website of PayPal. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right corner, you will be able to locate the gear icon. Simply click on it and then now you will be taken to the settings page. Here you will need to find email section and at the right side you will be able to see the add button. Also, if you have already added the email and have not confirmed your email yet, then on the summary page you will need to look for the message that says confirm your email. If you didn't find it, that means your email has already been verified. And also if you would like to add a new email, simply click on the add button at the right side of the email option and then a pop-up will appear. Here now you will need to clear the previous one and enter a new email address. After entering the new email address, click on this confirm button right here and then here you will be presented with this screen. Select one of these options based on your preference from here. If you'd like to continue with your Google account, select the confirm with Google account option and if you'd like to receive an email code, then click on this email a code instead option. Here I'm going with the second option, email a code instead. By doing so, a code will be sent to your new email address. You will need to wait for that code and once you receive the code, enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, it will start verifying the code. And after that, you will see you have successfully confirmed your email address on PayPal. So by following these steps, you should be able to verify or confirm your email address on PayPal. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.